we go. It is Saturday, February 19th. Going over some stocks. The weekend, the market is lows since Friday. All right, let's check out Redo. I did a video on this. I'm not sure if it was a few months ago. It's IPO, but it's been 3 years now since 2018, or actually 2017 to start it. So it's not recent, but it's not, a 20-year-old stock or anything like that. So it's pretty recent to the market. And this is an education stock. I believe it's in China. Rise Education Cayman Ltd. Formed back here 2017, 18 to 10 level, bounced back and forth, and it faded, had a double bottom, tried to bounce, didn't, came back again to 8. Now, it's been on a downtrend ever since 2017, 18, 19, 20. Had a nice bounce here. See this back and forth, this channel 4 and 3, it bounced way up. Look at this volume. This was on 8/18/2020, had 50 million in volume. This thing shot up big time. So basically, well, it was actually, let's see here. One, I can't see the candles. 1, 2, 3, maybe like a week long. This thing really took off. And then we came back and chopped around again, the 7 level, like 5 to 7, and then it faded. Then I started to put these lines in, formed a channel down, very tight channel, not really a wedge. A wedge has got to be really to a point, but it's pretty close. And a lot of these educational stocks got crushed. And then we came down, and I think I did the video back here, maybe September, October, and then I was looking for this bounce. It had a nice move here on heavy volume, 50 million. This went to like 175, 150. Didn't hold, didn't get to the gap completely. Got into the gap somewhat towards this wick right here, the high wick. And then we came back down again, just faded. Just sort of faded to this level. And it looks like the low on this is 42 cents. So that 50-cent level, pretty much around there. And look what it did. It slid sideways, and then it's been on the run now. Look at the volume increasing. You want to stair step volume. You see that? It's very positive. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 green days in a row with heavy volume, 6 million. Pretty good for the stock. Let me look, see what the news was on this, if there was news. Let's say the 19th, so I didn't see no news. On here, FinViz enters merger agreement with Data Auto Incorporated Technology Solutions Provider. So I didn't see nothing here. Maybe there's news. If there's news, just leave it after I do this video in YouTube. But it's an oversold condition. And this is another pattern. There's many patterns. I like the falling wedge pattern going down. I know it's going to break up and get some sort of move. The stocks don't keep going down, like they don't keep going straight up. Your triangles are very good. Yeah, flags, you see a lot of continuations, down or up, pennants. So there's some main ones. Head and shoulders. I like this channel down that is wedged down, and this is where we are now. So let's look at the weekly. Now, another thing I noticed, you had the crossover here. See the 20 EMA over the 13 EMA. So this was completely bearish. And the one thing too, when you notice the space, this was the lowest space from here to here is like $2 down to like 74 cents. That space is extremely wide. And that's why here it couldn't come up exactly because it was too soon for that move up. It was a fake move, came back down. Now look at this here. Look at the space here decrease with the price. The price is flattening, pretty much staying even. And the moving average is moving tighter and tighter to the price. And look at that candle there, 95 cents. It's a big open candle. Stochastics moving up. What you see in this is the $1 roll would be definite there. I wouldn't see why we wouldn't stop there. Momentum. Even if it pulls back, I still like this. 187 is that high wick, and you have 2 and 3 level. Now, if this gets going, let's say right away, we could get to that 3 level. That would be my, excuse me, my high target short term. And then, even shorter term, this 1 to 2 level right here on this. The monthly, you can see this completely bearish. See this 20 EMA over 13. You draw a line right here, and I went right over that and bounced up hard. And it tried to get up, but see this on even the monthly, the 1320 EMA is a reversal. So that's bearish. That's coming down. So in here, you could get back to 2 to 3, and we'll see if we bounce up to there. like I just said on that weekly chart, and then it might come back down. We'll see if it can break up through that. It would be hard to do. You really need a full move underneath the price, but it could be good for a bounce here. So on redo, and look at the move intraday. Look at the 5-minute here. Not much doing. And then this candle here was 38,000. It's pretty nice. Take a little wider here to 5 cents. This is 5-cent lines here. So up here, 70, 75 cents, completely bullish long. And the reason too is, when you have this come sideways for this long, it's hard to be bearish and continue. This isn't going to 1 cent, of course. So you're looking for bounces. And then we already had a previous breakout. 28 million float, 52 million market cap. No one really owns this. 6.6 institutional ownership. More of a trade or a short-term swing. All right, so that's it for this redo. Looking next week, we can break that $1 level. It's getting a little far away now from the 13 EMA because it's moving so fast. But you look for any move back down, look for support at your EMAs. You move back down, then you come back up. That's another scenario. But this is flattened out for a long time, so I think we can get back up to this zone here. All right, check that out. Please subscribe to Mike Heyman Trade Alerts on YouTube. Smash the like button. Check out any links below. And that's it. Peace.